Lenovo Tab M11 goes beyond being just a tablet, combining entertainment, productivity, and learning into a single device. Its 11-inch Wu XDA display offers stunning visuals with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. With a brightness level of 400 nits and a 90 Hz refresh rate, everything from gaming and watching movies to daily tasks is presented to your eyes smoothly and clearly. The 90 Hz refresh rate ensures that even fast-moving scenes are free of stuttering, making for an exceptional visual experience. The display is also fingerprint resistant, ensuring that it stays clean at all times. The Lenovo Tab M11 is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G88 processor. This octa-core chipset delivers high performance, easily handling daily tasks, and providing a smooth experience even with demanding apps. With 4 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of expandable storage, there's enough space for all your apps. For gamers, the Lenovo Tab M11 is an excellent choice, as it runs high-graphic games smoothly. If more memory is needed, you can easily expand the storage via the micro SD card slot. In terms of sound experience, Lenovo has optimized 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos support. This delivers a rich, deep, and immersive sound experience. Whether watching movies or listening to music, you can hear the sound from every direction. Dolby Atmos technology creates the sensation of sound naturally spreading around you by detecting the direction of the sound. The Lenovo Tab M11 is equipped with a large battery to ensure users can enjoy long hours of use. The 740 mAh battery allows the tablet to play videos for up to 10 hours on a full charge. This means that whether you're traveling long distances or are frequently on the move, the Lenovo Tab M11 won't let you down with its battery life. Additionally, with 15-watt fast charging support, you can quickly charge your tablet. The tablet is also an ideal choice for students and children. The Lenovo Tab M11 comes with Google Kids Space, offering a safe exploration space for children. The content is age-appropriate and it provides parental control tools. Moreover, with the Family Link app, parents can set screen time limits to control their children's tablet usage. Furthermore, the optional Lenovo Tab Pen makes note-taking, drawing, and turning creative ideas into reality incredibly easy. With 4096 pressure sensitivity levels and tilt support, the pen offers a highly accurate experience for writing and drawing. This pen is especially useful for students and creators. Also, apps like Nebo and My Script Calculator 2 make note-taking and calculations easier. The Lenovo Tab M11 has a sleek and modern design. Its slim profile and elegant two-tone colors enhance its visual appeal. Additionally, its water and dust resistance features make it more durable. These attributes increase the tablet's usability in challenging conditions, whether at school or while traveling. The Lenovo Tab M11 is an excellent option for both daily use and multitasking. You can open and use multiple windows simultaneously. Thanks to the split screen feature, you can efficiently multitask by having 2 apps open side by side. This feature enhances the learning process and demonstrates just how powerful a tablet can be. Additionally, Lenovo Freestyle integrates the tablet with your Windows PC, allowing you to create a different workspace. You can use your tablet as a second screen or whiteboard. Easily transfer files to complete your work quickly. This feature increases the versatility of the tablet. Lenovo Tab M11 also takes security seriously. With the privacy dashboard, you can easily see when the camera and microphone are active, ensuring your privacy. Moreover, it will receive security patches until January 2028 and updates to Android 14 and Android 15, ensuring your tablet stays up to date. In conclusion, the Lenovo Tab M11 is a powerful device that appeals to students, professionals, gamers, and general tablet users. With its screen quality, powerful processor, long battery life, and many other features, it meets every user's needs. If you'd like to explore this impressive device, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel.